First, we're gonna eat pizza. Hey guys, my name is Bill. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna unbox the new Solo Stove fire pit. It's the Yukon, and as soon as I'm done eating this pizza, we're gonna unbox the Yukon. Stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna open this up. It's in my living room because when I came home today with the pizza, it was already here. So we're gonna unbox it here, show you everything that's in it, and then we'll take this outside. How to use, instructions. This is the base. I ordered the kit that comes with the a base. Not all the units come with this base. This is an option. All right, the next problem. We got everything out of it except the unit itself. There's styrofoam bottom, and your actual fire pit is stuck into the foam down below. And it feels heavy. So I don't know if I'm gonna tilt the box, or maybe I should have opened this up right where I was gonna put it. So give me 1 minute, and I'm gonna figure this out. I might have to turn it upside down and get it out that way. So give me a moment and I'll explain to you exactly how I got this out of here. Okay, it only weighs 34 pounds, so let's see what we can do to get this thing out of here. See, the problem is it's stuck on the styrofoam. There we go. The box is very sturdy, and here it is all 34 pounds. So as you guys can see, it's basically very tight into that ring, and it prevented me from just lifting it out. So I had to tilt it over and get it out. And I will just throw all this stuff back into the box. And there we have it. Sorry about the confusion, but that's why we make unboxing videos, so you can see what's in store for you when you order this thing. So you can see that's the Solo Stove Yukon. Before I discard the box, I'll show you the outside of the box. If you're giving it as a gift, it's going to show up to their door. They're going to know exactly what it is because it's a printed box. Easy to use, low smoke, 304 stainless steel, mesmerizing flames, lifetime warranty. What's included is I got the stand. They also have the kits that you can get the stand and shield, or stand, shield, and shelter. I ordered the shelter separately. The weight is almost 35 pounds. 27 inches in diameter. The height is almost 18 inches high. And the fuel is firewood logs. And that's the side of the box. Okay, so what we have here, this is the main fire pit right here. What I ordered extra with it, and it is extra, is the stand for it. So this will go on the whatever surface that you are putting this on. You can use this without this, but I liked all the bells and whistles, so I ordered this with it. It came as a kit. This unit here will sit on top of this. And we also have the ring, which comes like that when you buy it. When you go to use it, you'll take this off, flip it around, and stick it right in there like that. So there we have it. What I'm gonna do is get this down to the patio and we'll set the whole thing up. We'll see you on the backside. Okay guys, we're out here on the patio. There's my old fireplace. We're gonna trash that. Had to move some furniture around. There's the base, or what they call the stand. And we're just gonna place the fire pit on top of the stand, and then we'll go over some of the accessories. And that's basically it. It, like I said, weighs about 34 pounds as the box says. Wasn't too bad bringing it down here. I guess if you have, you know, the opportunity, just walk the whole box around the back, or unbox it wherever you're at, wherever they drop it, and then just walk it around the back. It was easy enough to grab. So let's go ahead and place that onto the stand and take a look at what it looks like. It's on the stand. The only thing I didn't like about the stand is I thought it would click into place. It's just a floating device, so it could be uneven on one side or the other. You just go around and kind of center the unit on top of the stand. The stand's a hair smaller, but there's no grooves for it to click into place. At least I didn't find any yet, but it just floats on top of that. And that kind of bugged me a little bit, but because, you know, I don't want it to get knocked off the plate. There you have it. This is the inside look. And another thing, to empty the ashes, a quick read on the instructions. I thought a tray would come out and it'd be easily, you know, to easily get rid of the ash. But all they tell you to do is turn this upside down to get the ash out. Which, I don't know. Well, we're going to see how it is. It gets high ratings, but again, the unit is floating on top of the stand. There's no like grooves for it to click into place to keep it on the stand. I mean, if you bump this, it's going to fly right off the stand. Number two, there's no easy way to empty the ash out of here. You're going to have to pick the unit up and turn it upside down and dump it. Now, the only thing I don't want to do is scratch the finish of the stainless steel. So it's going to have to be picked up somehow and put in the grass, and you know, I'm going to have to find a way to get rid of the ash a little easier. I wish it was, you know, a tray or something to pull out to get rid of the ash. It'd be a lot easier. But let's take a look at the other accessories I got with this. This is a great day after a real bad winter that we had. The sun's kind of bright, but I ordered this separately. It's the Yukon shelter. This is the cover that goes over the fire pit to protect it. I highly suggest, you know, you order one of these. Now, I got the stand and the Yukon as a kit. There's all kind of ways you can order these on their website, and you know, pick out what you want to do or what you want. We'll open this. I also got the solo stove starters to start the fire. Nice Ziploc bag. A tag with a solo sticker. Instructions. And there we go. That must be the handle, or the metal that goes on the inside. So I guess there's going to be some assembly where we have to put the metal into these little clips on the inside. So let me do that and we'll cover it up and see what it looks like. Okay, this appears that it's going to be easy enough. All you do is open this up, and like that, and put it on the inside of this. That makes the top of the shelter sturdy enough. So let me do this.